Good evening. Now I'm showing you a steam table with Moylius diagram in SI units, and the steam table is of R.S. Kurmi, S. Chand Publications. So the steam table consists of 5 different tables which I'm going to show you now. That is, it consists of 2 tables of saturation temperatures. The first table in that is of temperature, the second is of pressure. The third table is of specific volume of a superheated steam. The fourth one is specific enthalpy of superheated steam. And the fifth one is specific entropy table. So let us see what are the different parameters in each table. So the table consists of, if you see table 1, the first term in the table consists of temperature. For a given temperature in degree centigrade, for that the second one is absolute pressure. So if I take a temperature of, suppose, 25 degrees centigrade, the saturation pressure is 0.03166 bar. Then the second one in this consists is of specific volume of water as well as steam, that is Vf and Vg. The third one is specific enthalpy table. It's of 3 again, that is of water, then evaporation and steam, that is HF, HFG and HG. Similarly, the third table is on entropy, that is SF, SFG and SG. This is temperature table. The second table is on specific volume, that is on pressure, that is absolute pressure in bar. The pressure is the first column in the table. The second one is saturation temperature. For a given pressure, what is the temperature? Then specific volume, specific enthalpy and specific entropy for that particular pressure. This is table number 2. The third table consists of specific volume of superheated steam. That is, the first column in that table is absolute pressure, then saturation temperature, and for different values of superheated temperatures, the value of specific volume. Then similarly, the specific enthalpy, that is for absolute pressure, what is the saturation temperature, and for different temperatures, what is the value of specific enthalpy. And the last table is of specific entropy. That is, again, for the same pressure, absolute pressure, saturation temperature, and for different temperatures, 100, 120, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800. So these are the values of specific entropies. So table number 3, 4 and 5 are of superheated steam. That is, you are going to get the values of specific volume, specific enthalpy and specific entropy. Now in this we have one more table or chart known as Moylius diagram, or it is known as HS diagram. That is specific enthalpy versus specific entropy. So I'll just show you the different lines in this Moylius chart, and then we will take a particular case with different values of pressure and temperature and plot these values. So this table consists of vertical lines which are known as constant temperature lines. You can see here it is written constant temperatures. So these lines are constant temperature lines, that is 800, 700, 800, 750, 700, 650, 600, 550 and so on. That is constant temperature lines. And then constant pressure lines, that is the inclined lines, whatever you can see, which is written here. You can see here it starts with a pressure of 1000 bar, 1000, 800, 600, 500 and so on up to 0.01 bar. Then you have these dotted lines. These are constant specific volume lines, these dotted lines, whatever you can see. Then a dark line which is drawn here, this is known as saturation liquid line. that is saturated liquid line, and below this point whatever you get, that is you get an enthalpy when you go towards the left or towards the right, that is along the horizontal, and in the vertical you will get specific entropy. And when you get a particular point, if you go inclined to these points, you will get dryness fractions. That is what is given here. You can see these values. That is 100%, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth, that is 0.95, 0.90, 0.85, 0.80, 0.75, and 0.70. So between 0.70 and 75 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That is, it is divided among 5. So this is regarding the referring of steam table. Thank you. So we will take a case and show you on this diagram with a example. So how to plot this on a HS diagram. I will take a rough sketch and draw this as TS diagram and show you the points. That is, if I take a pressure of 100 bar, this is 100 bar and 600 degrees centigrade. So wherever it coincides, you can see here 100 bar and 600 degrees centigrade. Wherever it is coinciding, that will give me the point 1, where you will get the enthalpy of H1. Then similarly move below downwards, that is vertically downwards, wherever it intersects with one more pressure, that is condenser pressure, what we call it as. That is, if it is 0.5 bar, wherever it coincides, that will give me the value of H2. And then corresponding inclined line, whatever I am showing here, this gives me dryness fraction of X2. So this corresponding inclined line will give me the value of dryness fraction X2. This is how you are going to find out the value from Moyler's chart.